Hey there, guys and gals. Barbie Figueroa here, and let me ask you a question. You get paid now, or you get paid 30 days later? You get paid now, you have to wait on clawbacks and possible returns. You get paid now, or you have a qualification period before you can get paid. So today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing versus master resale rights and why master resale rights has become all the rage. And honestly, I get it. I get it. I've been on the scene since 2007, 2008, and I wish I knew about this stuff before. I wish this stuff was around before, and I'm going to explain to you the differences between the both. And if you stay to the end of the video, and I'm not going to make it too long, but if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to share with you which one I think is the best, right? And you probably think you know what I'm already going to say, but stay with me. Okay, so let's talk about the difference between affiliate marketing and master resale rights. Okay, so when I got started online, I did, like affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is basically you find a product, hopefully that you really like. Okay, some people go like to places like ClickBank and they just search for the one that makes the most money. I'm not that gal. I'm kind of like, if I like a product and I can get behind a product and I feel passion for the product, then I can sell it, because otherwise I struggle with selling unless I actually believe in the product, right? So I aligned with an affiliate product. It was a $2,000 high ticket program in the amount of, it was $2,000 to get in. Okay. And they paid $500 affiliate commissions. So that was kind of like a disaster because I didn't know how to market. I didn't know how to market. Marketing for me was going into forums and observing who looked successful to me, and then kind of just pitch them on the program. Okay. So that, if I would have made a sale, I would have had to wait. I can't remember. I think it was like maybe 30 days for them to actually process the payment and get paid. Okay. So first of all, the first big problem, number one problem, no matter what way you go, is the marketing part. If you don't know how to market, if you don't know how to put yourself out there, you don't know how to brand yourself, you don't know how to create content like what I'm doing right now, forget about it. You know what I mean? So like, first of all, you have to make a commitment that no matter which route you take, that you're going to do the things required to, make money or to have your breakthrough. You can't buy into a program and then just think, oh, this program is going to make me a ton of money, but I'm not investing in my marketing skills. I'm not creating content. I'm not learning how to do ads. Even if we do it messy and we're not sure what we're doing, but at least we're doing the thing, right? Or we're committed to doing the thing. So that's affiliate marketing. You have to wait to get paid. You can align with products that you are passionate about. And honestly, I'll tell you, there was one time a long time ago. And when you are counting on, I know so much more now that I've been in this, space for such a long time that, you have to have a business mindset. You can't think, oh, I'm depending only on this affiliate income stream so that I can pay a bill or whatever. Like, that's like, a lot of us start like that. So hopefully you're not in that stage anymore, but if you are, you're not alone. Okay. A lot of us get involved with affiliate marketing hoping that we're going to make enough money to pay a bill or whatever. At least that's what people promise you, right? Like, you're going to make so much money, blah, blah, blah. Okay, whatever. So anyway, so I became an affiliate for this guy, incredible guy, super awesome, whatever. And I aligned with his affiliate program. And it was like a 30-day clawback, which means that they have to give time for the refunds. So you have to wait for the clawback period and then another week for them to actually, send you the check or whatever, or send you the payment. And the guy was late. And it was like a month and a half, and I still hadn't made the affiliate commission. It was like a pretty good commission. It was like $300-400. And I was like, it was like 2 months and I still hadn't received the payment, So, that is the negative side of affiliate marketing. Now, the positive side of affiliate marketing is obviously you get to align with tons of different products that you did not create, and the creator of the product pays you out a commission. Now, the only thing is, like I said, the downside is the waiting period, the clawback period, the possible refunds, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So that's affiliate marketing. Now, master resale rights. What's master resale rights? Well, now we're talking two different things. With affiliate marketing, we're talking commissions. With master resale rights, we're talking profits. Different thing. Okay. So with master resale rights, you actually earn profits, which is like, it's the next best thing to having your own products, to having your own business where you are selling directly to a customer. That customer makes a payment, and then you make the sale. So that payment only takes as long as it takes to process the payment. So it's like 3 days if you're using Stripe, right? And so Stripe takes about 3 days. And of course, they take some fees to process the payment because that's just the cost of doing business, right? But you get paid right away, right? And so it's a really powerful business model if you can align yourself with a product that pays you well, that pays you now, and that actually has value in the marketplace. So what did I say in the beginning? The caveat is, but I need to know the marketing part of it, right? Because if you don't know the marketing part of it, you're not going to be able to go out there and, market the thing. So that's where this specific product that I'm aligned with, it is not only a master resale rights product that puts cash in your pocket quicker within like 3 days after you make the sale, but make no mistake, it's going to take a minute because you still have to learn the marketing part. Now, if you're a seasoned marketer, you have a list. I mean, you can probably send out a few emails and get a few people to sign up and buy, and you're cool. You're made in the shade. You're good, right? But if you're newer or new-ish to the game, then you have to develop those marketing skills. So then why not align yourself with a 100% profit master resale rights product that the product itself is the marketing know-how that equips you with the skills to make more money in master resale rights, whether you decide to sell master resale rights, whether you decide to do affiliate marketing, whether you decide eventually to create your own products, right? The thing is, you have the skills. See, one time, a long time ago, I paid to learn these skills. The skills of making a YouTube video, showing up on YouTube, uploading a video, doing keyword research. I paid to learn these skills, and these skills paid me hundreds of thousands of dollars throughout the years that I've been online, right? So it's a skill that I learned, and no one can take away the skill, right? No one can take away the skill. An opportunity can go away, an income stream can go away, a company can go under or change or whatever, but your skills are yours and no one can take them away. And so with this master resale product that I'm aligned with, not only do they pay you 100%, but they teach you how to market. They equip you with the high level marketing skills that you need to sell whatever you want, right? So if you want to learn more about that product, I will have a link for you right below this video, or you can go to risingwithbarbie.com. I got another video on that page. You can check it out, and I'll even throw in a free ebook if you sign up for the list, at least to learn more about it. Okay, I'll send you a free ebook in one of my follow-up emails. Okay. Now, if you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you which one I think is better, right? Well, to be honest, I think you should have both. You should have both in your business. You should have multiple streams of income inside of your business. You should have both. However, if I was new-ish, if I was getting started, or if I was a seasoned marketer who wanted a mid-ticket program that I can insert into my business like this, because it's already been created and all I got to do is throw a capture page and a video in front of it. That's it, right? You've already got the skills. Then I would definitely go with the master resale rights product that I recommend. Okay. If you want to learn more about what that product is, I will link it for you again, or you just go to risingwithbarbie.com. So tell me what you think. Like, am I making sense? Right? If you go with affiliate marketing, you should go with both. But if you do affiliate marketing, you have to expect that it's going to take time to get paid. Now, for all you guys and gals that might be aligned with something that pays you quicker, I'm talking about in general, for the most part, right? Most companies make you wait. Most companies have a clawback period. Most companies have a refund period. But with master resale rights, you can literally plug yourself in, throw a capture page in front of it, and when you make a sale, you get paid now within like 3 days. Because that's how long it takes straight. So anyway, that is it for today for this video. I hope that you learned something. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you thought this video was valuable, please go ahead and share it with a friend. And if you want to check out the program that I'm aligned with, then again, just go to risingwithbarbie.com. All right, guys and gals. Well, thank you so much for watching. This has been Barbie Figueroa with brandingwithbarbie.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.